Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll use Infinity Scan to start a new process and add a document as a specific document or document data. I'll start a second document, a second process, and the document this time will be added as process attachment, and we'll specify a document type. These processes will be started in different models as well to show the multi-model support of Infinity Scan. I've launched the Eclipse modeler and I've opened the two models that I have deployed in my runtime environment, Model 1 and Model 2. So Model 1 defines a single process, new business loans. New business loans has a scan trigger, a single scan trigger, and it is pointing to the business loan application data and the business loan application metatype. Okay. Over here, that is this business loan application data, which itself points to the business loan application structure type. The structure type defines the document types, within the Infinity system. So it's actually this structured type which defines the document type. So the scan trigger, what this means is if I have the permissions, when I log into Infinity Scan, I can start a process in this in new business loans, and the document will be added to the business loan application data, and we'll have the business loan application document type. Okay, let's go to the second model, Model 2. Again, I have a single process definition, new personal loans. Here, new personal loans actually has two triggers. It has scan trigger 1 and 2. Scan trigger 1 points to process attachments. Okay, so in this case, it does not point to a data per se. It's actually process attachments. And you'll notice there's no metatype in this case. It's the default. This is not to say that we don't allow document types to be specified for process attachments. We do, but we leave it to the end user to select the document type. So the document types from all the models, all the deployed models, will be available for selection for process attachments. And I will demonstrate this in a bit. The second scan trigger defines the personal loan data and the personal loan application metatype. Here again, I have many structure types. These are associated with document data, making them document types. So in this case, I have a credit card application document type, a driver's license, tax return, financial report, and personal loan application. These are all document types that you can select in Infinity Scan. So I've logged into Infinity Scan and I've acquired a couple of images. First is a personal loan application. The second is a business loan application. So the next thing I need to do is select the process to start the start, and then once I've done that, I'll select the document. With new business loans, if I click the process drop list, I see I have a new business loans, which, as you remember, was defined in Model 1, and I have new personal loans, which is defined in a separate model, Model 2. Because I only defined a single scan trigger for the new business loans process, my selection of document is limited to the one defined in the trigger, which is new business loan application, meaning when I scan this in, I will create the process. I'll start the process, and the document will be added to the business loan application, and we'll have business loan application document type. If I click over here and select my personal loan application, I can actually select new personal loans, and I get a few more choices on documents. If you remember, in the second model, in the process attachments, we actually had two different triggers. We had one for process attachments, and we had one for personal loans. If I select personal loans, it acts just like new business loans, or the business loan application document. You don't get the document type selector because the document type is inherent with the document data. Process attachments, I get a few more choices, right? So I can actually select none, so I won't have any document type associated with process attachment. I can select, then I can select from any of the document types defined in the deployed model. So here you see business loan application document type, which is actually defined in Model 1. And then also you see the financial report, tax return, credit card application, driver's license, and personal loan application, which were defined in Model 2. So let's select personal loan application. So we're going to start a process in new personal loans. It will be added as a process attachment and will be given the personal loan application document type. So let's submit the batch. Okay, check on our jobs. Pending, refresh, success, and we'll look for processes, process OID 126 and 127. In IPP, you can see I have a couple items in my work list. So let's open this work list. We have index business loan. We'll launch that, activate that, and here we see the activity with a business loan application data field with a document. And this is our business loan application that we just scanned in. Click details, I can see that the correct document type was applied to business loan application, and its underlying metadata structure or data structure defines the metadata for the document. To get another view of this, we can click document, the process details. Go to process documents, and here you see under specific documents I have the same business loan application. If I click it, it just brings this document forward. It's the same document. The other document that we created was the personal loan document. It started in the personal loans, in the new personal loans process. And because this is a process attachment, it does actually open. And we can see the details for it, the document type. So in this case, the document, it applied the correct document type, but there's not a lot of data with the personal loan metadata or structured data. If we go back to process details, click process documents, you can see the document was scanned in as a process attachment. We can click that and get back to the same point. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.